Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today's video is actually for men, and my grandma taught me this simple recipe and I decided to share it with you guys. So if you're a lady and you're watching this video and your man is having problem with weak erection, quick ejaculation, or you're a man and you're seeing this video and you have problem with weak erection or quick ejaculation, then you actually need to watch this video. And we need just two ingredients for this tea. You need your guava leaves. If you don't have the fresh guava leaves, you have the dried one, you can as well use it. Then the second item you'll be needing is your cinnamon stick. You'll be needing your cinnamon stick. And note, if you're a man that has low sugar level, don't take this tea because your sugar will really drop. But if you want to control your diabetics and you want to reduce your sugar level, then this tea is also for you. You can take this tea, but if you have low sugar levels, don't take this tea. So what you're needing is you need like 7 to 8 leaves of guava or 9. Then the next thing you'll be needing is your cinnamon stick, just a piece of it. Yeah, okay. So what you are going to do next is that you are going to rinse your guava leaves and your cinnamon stick very well. Then you are also going to rinse your boiling pot or your boiling kettle very well. Then after that, you are going to boil your water. Once your water start boiling, you now pour your cinnamon stick and your guava leaves inside. Then you are going to boil it for like 10 to 15 minutes depending on your heat. If it is in a low heat, then you boil it for like 20 minutes. Then after boiling it, the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to strain your tea. Then allow your tea to cool first. Then you have your tea. You'll be taking this morning and night, and you have to be consistent with it. Then you see changes. You see the other room, you perform very well in the other room. It is a natural tea and it has no side effects, but you still need to consult with your doctor before taking this tea. So guys, that's the end of today's video, and the only way you can support me is to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.